What's up, guys? It's Frank and welcome to Graybird Garage. So not only do we have cars like Corvettes and Mustangs in the shop, but we also have Jeeps. So if you look outside, that's my 2012 JKU Rubicon, and today I'm going to be installing a soft top on it. So here's my Jeep. Right now you can see I don't have the hard top on it right now. It didn't come with a factory soft top, so we're going to be putting an aftermarket soft top on it. I'm not putting a traditional square back or slant back soft top on it. I'm actually going with a top I found online from a company called Rampage. It is their Trailview Tonneau cover top. So instead of coming out this way or going down like that, it actually comes over here and then has a tonneau cover that goes over the back for a completely different look. So we have to get to work assembling the door surrounds, and then we're gonna put everything on. So here we go. All right, so we have one door surround assembled. It comes in all the separate pieces, and once you get everything put together, we can go ahead and put one side on the Jeep and then assemble the second door surround. All right, all good with the door surrounds. So now for this particular top, they want you to remove the footman loop and then reinstall these clamps in their place. And this is what attaches or puts tension on the soft top when it comes down over here. So we gotta go ahead and get these footman loops off. That's a T25 Torx bit. And here we go. All right, guys, well, it's taken a little bit, but so far so good. You can see so far the main section of the top is on. I'll turn this around so you can see what it looks like on the inside. So on the inside, you can see in the front the new latches that we put on. And here's the folding mechanism that does like a double fold all the way back to here. I have retention straps in the middle. And then around the rear, you have these poles to put in here under tension. They're just fiberglass. That's to help keep any water from pooling on there. You can see the back side of the retention straps over here. And then around the back, You have the rear retaining straps that go over the seat belt stud, over the roll bar, and then the rest of the top's going to end up attaching via Velcro and zippers that are up in there, and that's the back window piece that's going to come to about here, and then there's a tonneau cover piece that goes right there. So we're going to keep going on it. So far so good. I like the way it looks, and it seems to seal very well as well, so we're in good shape so far. All right, so we got the rear window section installed. That really wasn't that difficult. Got a main zipper over here. It's on the inside part of the roll bar, but you can see the roll bar right up on the outside over there. Another cool feature is that it's got this zippers here to make a zip out window if you wanted to remove the back window and not remove the entire panel. That's pretty cool. Other than that, you had a couple of straps up here and a Velcro flap to allow the seatbelt to come through from the roll bar. And then around over here goes plastic on the inside, goes right inside the channel, and another piece of plastic down here. All in all, I love the way it looks. One more piece to go. We just got to put the tonneau piece over the bed. So here we go. All right, guys, you can see the top's done. Fit and finish is pretty nice. I got to see how it's going to hold up once we actually get some rain, but for the most part, everything seems to be pretty tight, pretty sealed. There may be a couple of adjustments that need to be made, but other than that, I'm pretty happy with the way that it looks. It's definitely a different look than most other soft tops you see on Jeeps, and hopefully it does the job. And there you have it, guys. Everything went pretty well, and yeah, that's basically it for now. Be coming back pretty soon with a Corvette update and more Jeep projects, more Mustang projects, and just more projects in general. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.